So today we are going to talk about the PRINCETON Multiplier HDMI Extender. So have you been having any issues at home where you are trying to extend your display through your laptop to the external display, just like this TV we have over here, and you have been having issues with it? This device is going to sort you out. So this is a PRINCETON Multiplier. As I said earlier on, it's going to transmit a display from your laptop to a display wirelessly. So this is it, and I'm going to unbox it and show you how it works. Okay, yes, so this is how it looks like. Coming to unbox it so that you see how everything over here looks like. So we got this here, and we also have this here, right? So here we have two units, as you can see, one labeled TX and another one labeled RX, and it also helps you to transmit in 4K. So it means you are going to get the resolution in a higher definition. So the TX you see here stands for the transmitter. So this is the transmitter unit, and RX stands for the receiver unit. So let me talk briefly about how it works. The transmitter unit with this HDMI port is going to be attached to your laptop or whichever display, whether you have a console or something. So this is going to be with your laptop, because this is where you are transmitting the primary display, and the receiver is going to be fixed at the back of your television or the display where you want to have a larger display. This is where you are going to fix this unit. So this is transmitting from your laptop, and this will be at the receiving end. And here we have some cables over here. That's USB to the Type-C. So this is basically going to help you power this unit. So they are both the same. So one will be used for the receiver unit and another one will be used for the transmitter unit. So this USB must be connected to, whether maybe you have a charger head or a USB port. This cable is actually going to help you power this transmitter device. So same applies to this. So let's see how it works. Yeah, so as I said earlier on, we have our transmitter unit over here, which we are going to insert it to the HDMI port of our laptop, which is our primary display. This is the display we want to extend to the larger display, and we have a Type-C port over here. So I'm going to fix this in here. Beautiful. And since this is a USB port and I also have a USB port over here, I'm going to use my same laptop to power my transmitter device. So I just fix it. After you fix it, you are going to realize a light will be turned on over here. Great. Yeah, so after we used our transmitter units on the primary device, which is my laptop, I am going to extend my display onto this LG TV with the receiver unit. So the receiver unit, I'm going to insert it behind my TV. So that's what I'm going to be transmitting from the laptop. So okay, so now I've fixed my HDMI behind my LG TV. So as I mentioned earlier on, the Type-C to USB is where you are supposed to use it to give the power to the receiver unit. So in this case, I'm going to use this poly device because it has USB ports behind. So in your case, you can use, a lot of TV comes with USB ports and all that. So you can use your same device to just provide power to your receiver unit. So in this case, I'm using my poly device. Okay, here we go. So it indicates now HDMI 2 is now available. Okay, so now we are supposed to change our TV source to HDMI 2 because I connected my receiver unit to the HDMI 2 port behind the TV. So we are going to change the source, as you can see over here, to HDMI 2. Yeah, and here we go. We have been able to transmit our display from the laptop to the LG TV wireless. You can realize there's no HDMI cable over here, but you are able to transmit the display from the laptop to the larger display, which is my LG TV, as you can see over here. Yeah, so guys, as you can see, this is my laptop, and I have my transmitter unit over here and the receiver unit at the end of my display. You can realize that I've been able to transfer my display from my laptop to the larger display wirelessly using the Princeton Multiplier HDMI Extender. Yes guys, so save the hassle from using long HDMI cables throughout your rooms, which is going to create a lot of problems for you. You can just tap into the use of this multiplier HDMI extender, which is going to help you a lot. So on this note, thank you guys for watching, and I urge you all to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Melfa Tech Consult. Thank you for watching.